Yeah, what's up, guys? Just finished up clutch job in Exedy street clutch on this EVO 10. Also did a ETS, or I did an AMS Clutch Master Cylinder upgrade, EVO 8 and 9 Clutch Master onto this because the OEM one was leaking. So yeah, that did some new outer tie rods. Just getting ready to go do a little test drive in this thing. Make sure everything is all good to go before the customer comes and picks it up. It's interesting. Gauges don't work. Have to figure that out. Anyways, here we go. Test of time, getting out of the driveway without ripping off any body pieces. This is always fun, but got it down pretty good. Just got to get the angle, and then start cutting it once you get to that point where the car wants to hit the ground in the front. After doing a new clutch install, you don't really want to go hard on the car. You really just want to drive it as you would, you know, in a calm, organized manner. You're not trying to go race people, do drag racing and stuff like that right after getting your clutch done, because you'll destroy it. It takes time for the disc, the disc material basically to seat with the pressure plate, and if you put a clutch on brand new and just go start hammering on it, you will basically just rub off, I guess, the top layer, the main layer, and it's just, you won't get any contact. There won't be any actual frictional grip. So really important to break your clutches in after getting a new clutch installed. It's we tell our customers, give it a good, at least a good 150, 100 miles, 150 miles of just regular driving, and just let it break itself in, let it seat itself in, so you're allowing it to last as long as it possibly can. So we've recently did a downpipe install and a full ETS exhaust system on this thing. So that's why it sounds so badass. Jackie, I do like driving your car. This is strictly test purposes. But one of the perks of this job is getting to drive cars like this. Really appreciate our customers, especially our returning customers, like Jackie here. Oh, mom and child, gotta slow down. This car scares people. It's loud. Nice and straight. Carlo did a great job setting up the tie rod ends, getting the alignment set. Dude, this guy does it by hand. It's like he does it with his eyes closed and he gets the alignment set every time. Sounds so good. clutch feels great all the way into 5th gear. I gotta check it out. It sounds like, kind of sounds like it has an exhaust leak actually. Now that we're, you know, getting it open. Yeah, I think that's an exhaust leak. So that basically concludes the test drive right there. It's you know, slow speed, 25-mile-per-hour road, and then take it right out to the highway, and you know, that allows me to get it up to speeds, get the car up to, you know, at least 55. Sometimes, you know, if I need to get going any faster, I can, and you know, get a good feel for what's going on with the car, and make sure everything that we've done, you know, make sure all the repairs that we've done are checking out. Everything that we did on this job for this job is definitely complete. The clutch feels great. The alignment's on. The brakes are good. The only thing I'm noticing is that what sounds like an exhaust leak. I mean, it sounds really good, but then once you start getting into you know, higher spool, higher boost, you can really you can hear something that it sounds like an exhaust leak. So I'm gonna get it back in the air. Actually, I'm gonna do an oil change on it as well, and just check out the exhaust system, make sure it's all good, find where that sound's coming from. But overall, this is such a fun car to drive. That's why I want to go in and make sure it's all 100% ready to go. Angle. Got it. Pissed. As you've probably seen in other videos, Nico goes nuts when he's in the car and gets excited, so he has to hang out in the office. All right, now time to check the oil, check that exhaust, and probably give this thing a wash too, because it is dirty. Off. I forgot this thing had the full dump tube on it, so it's very likely that the sound, that what I'm hearing that I think sounds like an exhaust leak is because it's a dump tube. So it makes sense. Once you're on full, you know, a higher boost, it sounds like there's an exhaust leak, and once you're at higher boost, it's all coming out of the dump tube.